Hello everyone, welcome to a day in London. I hope you can hear me. And we're in Hyde Park right now, I think. And we're going to a hotel to have like a little break, and then after we're going to the Big Ben and the London Eye, I think. So yeah. Yeah. Hello everyone, we are in Canary Wharf right now. We were at the Big Ben and yeah. Oh my god. Guys, I wanna live here. I think most of it are offices, but I really need to get rich fast. No, I will take my time. Nee, maar ik heb keuzestress voor wat. We are at Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf right now. We moeten naar laten we met de lift gaan. We moeten naar min 4. Oh, oké. Oké, we are at Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Yeah, we are at Canary Wharf. Canary Wharf. Look, dat is de Elizabeth line van de Canary in Dutch. And we ate Indian food at Dishoom. And now we are going to SOHO because I want to go to a Chinese bakery in Chinatown. Our bro, our homie. Oh, ik ga je eruit knippen. En wow, wacht. Okay, anyways, this is our last day kijk, professor. Wat doet hij met haar? This is our last day in London, but I just found out that I am free this week. So I could have stayed for a whole other week. But yeah, life goes on, let's live on. um, we're going to the hotel, and then we're going to sleep, and then tomorrow we are going to the mall because I want to get Ben's cookies, delicious, and then we're going to Chinatown maybe because they didn't have the cake that we wanted, and after that we have to go to the airport. So yeah, okay, bye. Bro.
Oh, I wanna skip stones.